GameSalad, the game engine for beginners, students, and experienced developers alike. The following is a video clip to introduce this game engine, GameSalad.
Have you ever wanted to make a game but didn't know where to start? GameSalad lets you easily create games without ever writing a single line of code. The only thing that's limited is your imagination. With its easy-to-use drag-and-drop user interface, just import your graphics, assign behaviors to them, and you're good to go. Putting your game out there might sound difficult, but with GameSalad, it's never been easier. You can publish your games for iPhone, iPad, Mac, Android, Nook, Kindle, and even HTML5 so you can put your game on the web, all at the click of a button. When you use GameSalad, you're well on your way to making a top-rated game for well over 1 billion players. Welcome to GameSalad.
GameSalad is primarily targeted towards students, with rates starting at $149 a year. This software is composed of specifically and flexibly designed curriculum that teaches computer science basics to students in the 4th to 12th grade. GameSalad is also available to non-students and experienced developers. This is called GameSalad Pro. Major features: multi-platform publishing. GameSalad allows pro users to design and publish games for iOS, Android, and HTML5. Game previews. Developers are able to preview games as well as run it through a debug mode which checks for errors. This is especially helpful to make sure the game is functioning right and runs properly. The third major feature is integrated physics. Developers are able to create, run, and test physics simulators in this game engine. This includes simulations such as friction, collision, and etc. The fourth major feature is the strong online community. GameSalad offers developers an online community evident through forums, threads, video tutorials, and online arcade in which they can submit as well as play other developer games. Other features include tables, arrays, expressions, and a drag-and-drop interface system. This program runs on Mac OS as well as Windows. Next, GameSalad offers specific and flexible learning units which is perfect for the classroom. This includes tutorials on platformer and RPG. Additionally, GameSalad has a very strong and interactive online community and support system. This includes things such as forums, threads, and interactive web tutorials. Lastly, GameSalad does not charge any royalties or revenue on shared published apps. GameSalad is beginner and developer friendly. This is due to its graphic user interface, which does not require users to have a prior knowledge of code. This is great because users don't have to worry about annoying syntax errors. Instead, GameSalad uses the drag and drop feature. Despite all the pros, GameSalad is not without its cons. For one who may like the flexibility programming gives, they might find the drag and drop user interface to be very limiting. Another con is that if you do not pay for GameSalad Pro, you cannot choose the ads that GameSalad shows on your game. GameSalad has two primary audiences. The first are students, and the second are game developers, both beginners and professional. For the professional game programmers, GameSalad has the Pro version, which allows developers to share and publish their games on various platforms without royalty collection. Since its launch in 2010, GameSalad has been used by over 1 million aspiring game developers and has powered over 75 games that reach the top 100 within the Apple App Store. In closing, GameSalad is an ideal game engine because of its graphic user interface system. This system allows beginner developers like myself to familiarize themselves with the basics of game programming. And as we follow the step-by-step curriculum, we are able to learn programming and as such create video games that grow in difficulty each time.